Dear children, let's see an animated video first before we start the lesson.
Welcome to the world of shapes.
Hey Dad, do you know what is that?
It's a rectangular photo frame, son.
Oh, I want to know about shapes. What's a rectangle?
A rectangle has 4 sides and 4 corners. And its 2 sides are longer than the other 2 sides. And there's another shape almost like rectangle. That's called a square.
Oh, that has all its sides equal. Just like the teacher's table in our classroom, right?
Yes, exactly. A square has 4 sides and 4 corners, and all its sides are equal.
Even I've heard about circles. It has no sides and no corners.
Yes, just like a globe or a football. And you know, a pizza slice and a signboard are triangular in shape.
Oh, Dad, that means a triangle has 3 sides and 3 corners, right?
Yes, exactly, son. By the way, do you know what the shape of an egg is?
Yes, Mom told me that an egg is oval in shape.
Right. An oval has no sides and no corners, and also it's not round.
Hey Dad, did you ever slide an egg on the floor when you were a kid?
No, never. That's a bad thing. Egg can be broken. A coin can slide and it rolls as well.
Okay, I'm sorry, Dad. And Dad, even the lunchbox can only slide on the floor, and my sketch pen can roll.
Hey, Sam, with sketch it reminded me, your sister has asked me to buy some sketch colors for her. Let's go to the market. Then we'll go back home.
Good morning. Welcome to the online session of St.Xavier Convent School, Barnala. My name is Amandeep Kaur. I am your math teacher. Today we start the third chapter, shapes. Our first topic is types of plane shapes: rectangle, square, triangle, circle. These are the plane shapes. First we have rectangle. Rectangle has 4 sides: 1, 2, 3 and 4. All 4 straight sides. These are the corners: 1, 2, 3, 4. Corner is a point where 2 lines are meet each other. So there is a first corner, second, third and fourth. 2 sides are longer, 2 sides are shorter. These 2 lines are longer, so both have same size. These sides are shorter and these sides have equal. So we can say that both opposite sides are equal to each other. Rectangle ਵਿੱਚ 4 straight lines ਨੇ, 4 ਹੀ corner ਹਨ ਤੇ 2 lines, ਲਾਈਨ ਨੰਬਰ 1 ਤੇ ਲਾਈਨ ਨੰਬਰ 3 ਇੱਕ ਦੂਜੇ ਦੇ ਬਰਾਬਰ ਹਨ। ਲਾਈਨ ਨੰਬਰ 2, ਲਾਈਨ ਨੰਬਰ 4 ਇਹ ਦੋਵੇਂ ਇੱਕ ਦੂਜੇ ਦੇ ਬਰਾਬਰ ਹਨ। Example of rectangle. First example is whiteboard of classroom. This is the whiteboard of classroom. It also has rectangle shape. 4 lines, opposite lines are equal to each other. Next example is shape of the top of your study table. Your study table is look like this. This is also rectangular shape. 4 lines, both opposite lines are equal to each other. Next is square. Square have 4 straight lines: 1, 2, 3, 4. It also has 4 corners. All sides are equal because all sides have same length. The difference between a rectangle and square is that it has 4 same size lines. Next is example of square. First example, a bread. This is example of square. Bread has 4 sides, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 4 corners. All lines have same length, so it is example of square. In the next example, we have a photo frame. Photo frame has 4 lines, 4 corners and all lines have same length, so it is also a square shape. The next one is triangle. Triangle has 3 lines, 1, 2, 3 and 3 corners. Like there 2 lines meet at this point, these 2 lines meet at this point, these 2 lines meet at this point. So these points are corner. There are 3 corners and 3 straight lines. It is also a triangle. These sides can be of any length. So this shape is also triangle and this shape is also triangle. Example of triangles. First example, a slice of pizza. There is a pizza, has 3 sides, 3 corners, so it is triangle. Mountain. Mountain also has 3 sides, 3 corners, like 1, 2, 3. This is the corner, this is the corner and this is the corner. So 1, 2, 3. 3 corners, 1, 2, 3 and 3 lines. It is the example of triangle. Next example is circle. Circle. There is no any line, so it has no side and no corners, because without sides we don't make any corner. Example of circles. First example is clock. Clock. Clock have no line and no corner, so it is the example of circle. In the next example, a CD. CD also have not any side and no corner. This is in the round shape, so it is circle. Next topic is types of solid space. There are cube, cuboids, cylinder, sphere and cone. First we discuss about cube. This is a cube. There is 6 faces like left, right, top, down, front and back. There are 12 edges. 12 edges means 12 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and others are at the back side. So these are total 12 sides and there are 8 corners where 2 lines are meet. So example of cube is, it is a Ludo dice. Ludo dice in the cube shape. This shape has 12 edges and 6 faces, front, back, left, right, top and bottom side. In this we see that all lines have same length. The next one is cuboids. It also has 6 faces. Left, there is the right, front and after that back. This is top and at this size back. There are 12 straight edges or lines, but difference between cube and cuboids is that these lines are not equal to each other. All have different length and also have 8 corners. Example of cuboids. First is a duster. Duster also has a cuboid shape. Have 12 straight edges, 8 corners. A microwave, it also has 12 straight edges, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 3 lines are at the back sides. Next one is cylinder. This is the shape of cylinder. Cylinder has 2 edges, this one and this one, but it has the 2 flat circular at this part and this is also a circular part. There is no corners. These two lines are not meet with each other, so there is no corner. It has three faces. Three faces means the one curved face. Curved face is their middle area. Middle area is known as curved face, and two flat circular faces there and there. So total faces are one curved face, two circular flat surfaces. So it has three faces. Example of cylinders. First is a can. There is a circle and this shape is also in a circle. So these are two flat circular faces, and that middle part is there. This middle part is one curved surface. So it has three surfaces and two edges which are not meet each other. So it has no corner. The another example is candle. Candle is also in cylinder shape. Cone. This is the cone. There are two lines. Both lines are meet at this point. So it is a corner. So we can say that a cone has a one corner. And this is the one flat surface. So it has one flat surface, and this part is, that middle part is curved surface. One flat surface, one curved surface. So it has two faces. Examples of cone. An ice cream cone. Ice cream cone, there is a corner. Two lines are meet at this point. So it has one corner. This part is flat surface, and this part is middle part where we hold it, their part is curved surface. So it has two surfaces. Next example is party hats. Party hats also in the cone shape. It is the one corner flat surface and middle part is the curved surface. So it has two faces, one corner. Next is sphere. Sphere is same as circle, like round, no corner, no edges, but it has a middle part. Middle part have a height, so there is difference between circle and sphere. No corner, no edges, so there is no any corner. Only one face. There is only one face, curved face surface. Like this, in this example of sphere, we have football. Football has no any edges, and without edges the corner is not possible. So there is not any corner. Like this, there is only this part, middle area. So it is curved surface. So sphere has no corners, no edges, only one surface. So football is a example of sphere because it has only a curved surface area, not any flat surface area. So it has only one surface, curved surface, no edges, no corner. So it is the example of sphere. That's all in this video. Thank you so much for listening me. I upload your work in the WhatsApp group. Do your work at time. Have a nice day. And prepare your old notebooks for correction. Have a nice day.